So you want to start customizing gifts or making some personalized items for yourself, but you don't want to invest in a Cricut right now, or maybe it's just not in the budget. Don't give it another thought and keep watching because I've got the solution for you. I'm going to be introducing you to what will definitely become a new favorite in your craft room. And what I'm talking about is this product from Hippo. It's called the Water Slide Decal Paper, and all you need is your inkjet printer, an acrylic clear spray, water, and these sheets. That's it. So without any further ado, let's get started. To begin this project, I jumped onto designbundles.com and selected a few designs that I wanted to work with, like this zodiac sign bundle as well as this boss lady bundle that I found, each for only 1 credit. Then I went into Microsoft Word and laid out the images that I wanted to use. Just a little heads up here, the water slide decal paper is a little bit smaller than your standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of printer paper, so you'll want to make sure to adjust the size of your page. This will ensure that your entire design fits on the page once it's been printed out. Next, I use a clear glossy top coat by Rust-Oleum that I picked up at my local Home Depot, and I applied not 1, not 2, but 3 thin coats of the clear top coat, waiting 10 minutes in between each layer to make sure that each coat was dried. Once that step was complete, I cleaned the surfaces of the 3 Dollar Tree mugs that I was going to use for this project. Then I cut out each of the designs that I intended to use for each mug. Have you worked with the water slide decal paper before? Are there any tips that you'd like to share? Please be sure to comment below with them, as these tips are super helpful when you're getting started. With my cutouts complete, it was time to make magic with just a simple bowl of water. I just grabbed one of my designs and dropped it right into the water, and you instantly see it curl up. To check to see if my design was ready to be applied onto my cup, I simply tried sliding the decal left and right to see if it would move off of the paper. I also slightly dampened the surface of the mugs that I was using to make it easier for the decal to slide on. And to apply the decal onto the mug, I simply lined it up wherever I thought it looked well. I really just eyeballed it, and then I used my right thumb to hold on to the top of the decal. Then I used my left thumb, pointer, and middle finger to slide the backing off of the decal. And then just started to remove any air bubbles by working them out from the middle outward. I repeated these steps for all of the images to add the 3 images and 3 phrases that I wanted to place on them. If you're finding value in this video, I'd love it if you'd leave me a comment in the comment section below and hit that like button, because this really helps me understand the content that you want to see and value most. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing, making sure you turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. I really hope that you enjoyed how these came out. I think they were super cute, and this is just such a fun way and a very inexpensive way for you to start those personalized projects without having to worry about getting a really expensive Cricut or Silhouette or any of the cutting machines. And because I just thought this was such a good message, the key to success is to start before you are ready. I really wanted to emphasize on that message. So if you are starting a new journey, if you're going to be doing a new business, if you're going to start your own crafting YouTube channel or any YouTube channel, I encourage you to just get started. There are a lot of people out there that are interested in seeing what you have to share with them, and it is a lot of fun. It is work, but it is also a lot of fun. Now, if you'd like to see more projects like this, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I invite you to take a look at this next video right over here. I'm Ellie Lee with Ellie Lee Designs, and until the next one, bye.